show you how my program works with the degrees problem. First of all, we'll try with a small sample. Small. Okay. For example, let's try with Kevin Bacon. Okay. And Tom Cruise. Let's see what we get. 1 degree of separation. Now we'll try with Kevin Bacon. And for example, Dustin Hoffman. Let's see. And we get 2 degrees of separation. And now we'll check the known condition where 2 persons are not connected. For example, Dustin Hoffman and Emma Watson. As expected, the result is not connected. Now we're gonna try with the large sample. We can get rid of parameter, the argument. The data are loading. Okay, and first we try with the example reported in the documentation of the problem. So Emma Watson and to be sure not misspell, copy Jennifer Lawrence. And the result is 3 degrees of separation. Now we try with the other combinations. And for example, Emma Watson and Daniel Radcliffe, that we expect just 1 degree of separation because all of us knows that they start together in the Harry Potter series. So Daniel Radcliffe, Emma Watson, and as expected 1 degree of separation. Now let's try some other combinations. Okay, Sean Connery for example. And Demi Moore. 2 degrees of separation. And last, two Italian actors. So Luca Argentero and Sofia Loren. The result, 3 degrees of separation. Thank you for watching.